In beautiful Tellico Village, in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountains, discover this custom-built home at 157 Depew Drive. With 4 large bedrooms and 4 full baths, you'll enjoy over 2,300 square feet of living area. It's close to everything that Tellico Village has to offer. Coffered ceilings and hardwood flooring accentuate the style. Take the great room, part of an open floor plan construction. The center of entertainment is this stone gas fireplace, and imagine your furnishings here. To your left is this large room that lends itself perfectly to your private executive office. A short walk takes you to your formal dining area and, of course, the kitchen, with a large island facilitating easy meal prep, with wine cooler and stylish appliances, including this gas range and stainless steel sink. 4 bedrooms will bring comfort and unparalleled rest to your family and guests. This is one spacious master bedroom suite too. Pocket doors are the perfect entrance to the oversized closet, and your master bath stands out with this spacious open glass shower and dual vanities. Now, take the stairs to the upper level and this room that could offer a host of amenities, a game or media room, and of course, a bedroom complete with its own bath. So much detail, all incorporated into a home that will serve you well for a lifetime. You should schedule your private tour of 157 Depew Drive in Tellico Village with Bill Cooley or Travis Hardy Jr. at Lakeside Real Estate Group.
Thank you for taking the time to look at this new construction home located at 157 Depew Drive here in Tellico Village. Let us know how we can help you. Thank you.